If you are frustrated with how Meta makes something as simple as setting up a Meta Business Manager unnecessarily complicated, then you are in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a complete guide on how to set up your Business Manager. But first, let's talk about what Meta Business Manager actually is and what it's used for. It's a tool that allows you to manage everything related to your business. You can create ad accounts, datasets, pages, and much more. You can also easily share access with agencies or freelancers, allowing you to remove them effortlessly without jeopardizing your accounts. However, there is one very important thing to note, and that is always create your Meta Business Manager yourself. Never let someone else set it up for you, as this often leads to ownership issues, making it difficult to reclaim the accounts later on. But enough of talk, let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is type in business.facebook.com/select, and right here you're gonna see create an account. Just click on it and put your business name and account name, put your email. Okay, once you have everything done, just click submit and wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so right now what we have to do is confirm the email address. Once you have confirmed your email, it's gonna take you from the email straight away to your business manager. So you've literally just created your new Meta Business Manager, but there are a few more things that we need to do in order to have it set up correctly. I'm just gonna start with the easy stuff, and that is pages. So as you can see, business doesn't have any pages yet, so I'm just gonna click add, and then I'm just gonna click add a page because I have mine already created and it's called Marketing by Michael. So I'm just gonna click add page, and as you can see, the page is already set up and nice and running. But if you guys don't have any page, you can just create a new page like from the business manager. So I'm just gonna click page name, category, bio, confirm, done. Easy stuff. But if you have a page, but you are not the admin of the page, you can create a request to access that page. So you're just gonna click this one, and you're just gonna click the page that you wanna access to, or just type in, Okay, once you have set up the page, what you wanna do is connect your Instagram account. Like right now on this Facebook profile, I do not have an Instagram, so I'm not gonna do that, but it's pretty simple. You're just gonna click add and connect your Instagram. Then you're gonna log in and it's gonna connect automatically. In order to advertise, you're gonna need few more things. The first one is ad accounts. And you can see I don't have any accounts yet, so I'm just gonna click add and I'm just gonna create a new ad account. So I'm just gonna set it up to my currency, but choose whichever currency fits with your accounting bit. When you click create a new ad account, you're gonna be asked to put account name and time zone and your currency. And then I'm gonna click next. And this ad account will be used for my business, create. Okay, and I can add a people, like if my business manager have multiple people in there, I can just add them here, or I can show you how to add people like later on, but you can just do that here. And I'm just gonna click assign. As you can see, my account was successfully created, and what I have to do right now is add payment info. So I'm just gonna go like this. What you wanna do is you're gonna put your business and tax info. You're gonna add payment method. It's either Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, and much more, or you can pay directly from PayPal. And yeah, just fill in this stuff. Right now you can see that my ad account is literally created. So the next stuff we're gonna have to do is click data sources, and we're gonna create a data set. Okay, just click add, name it, and click create. And right now, you're gonna see there's a bunch of different options. I would highly recommend you to go with Metapixel and Conversion API, and it's much better to track than Metapixel only. When you click next, it's gonna ask you to implement the dataset on your website. And you can either do that manually here, or you can do it via a partner integration. So if you have a ShopTet, if you have a Shopify, you can just check for partner, but I would suggest you to install the code manually. Once you're gonna do it manually, it's gonna ask you to do some stuff. So you're just gonna click what you want and then just go through the tutorial. It's gonna tell you everything you need to know about how to set it up. Once you have implemented the website pixel on your website, we can just continue to another step. So the next step that we're gonna do is brand safety, and it's called domains. So you're just gonna either request access to a domain or create a new domain. If it's your first business manager and you haven't registered your domain before, you can just go with create a new domain. But if you have done it before, you're gonna need to request access to a domain. To set up domain, you're just gonna click add, create a new domain, you're just gonna put new one and click add, and that's it. After you added your domain to your business manager, let's move to business info. And right here, you're just gonna fill in the information about your business. And I would highly suggest you to turn on the two-factor authentication. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. But here, just fill up your information about your business, about your website, business phone, address, legal business name, and so on. But right now I'm gonna show you how to do the two-factor authentication. So I'm just gonna click here, then go settings and privacy, then go settings, and right now you're gonna see account center on the left. So see more in account center, and right now you're gonna see password and security, and here there is a section two-factor authentication. Just click on it, click on your profile, and I'm just gonna enter the password. And I'm just gonna use the authentication app because it's the best one so far. I would highly suggest you not to use the text message, because I know a lot of people which haven't received that text message and they have lost the access to their business manager. So I would highly suggest you not to do that. Always use the authentication app. Okay, once you click on the authentication app, it's just gonna guide you, but what you have to do is you're gonna download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. So you're just gonna click the plus on your phone, and then you're gonna scan the QR code that the Facebook gives you, and then it looks like that. You can just choose from whichever code you're just gonna enter in there. it works like magic. Like, trust me, like, use the authentication app, don't use the text message. Okay, let's go back. And then when you have it set up, just put everyone. That business options, two-factor authentication, and require a login code to access your business manager from unknown browsers. Everyone, like, everyone needs to have set up two-factor authentication in order to access to your business manager. Trust me, you want to do that, because once someone hacks your account and takes the money, the first thing Facebook is gonna ask you is, have you had your two-factor authentication turned on? If not, there is a likelihood you won't get money back. But if yes, there is a big chance you are getting your money back, like, most definitely. So trust me in this. The next thing, when it comes to security, click to Security Center and turn the two-factor authentication even here. And I would highly suggest you to add another admin, because once you're gonna lose your access for whichever reason, someone's gonna steal your phone, you're gonna forget the password or anything, you want to access your business manager, because you won't be able to turn off the ads otherwise. And you know, Facebook or Meta is just gonna keep advertising and literally like burning your money, and you're not gonna have an access to turn it off. Like, trust me, add another admin. So you're just gonna do it like that. You're just gonna click add. Yeah, right now they are having trouble with completing your request, but once the Meta starts working, you're just gonna add, let's say, your partner or person that you can trust. Okay, so we have set up everything that we need in order to advertise. But right now, I just want to show you how you can add people or how you can add partner and what is the difference between them. So when you're adding people, you are adding people straight to your business manager. So be aware of who you give your admin access to. In order to add people, you're just going to invite people. Yeah, Meta is having a trouble completing the request. But you're just going to click invite. It's going to show you a field when you can just put the email of a person you want to add, and pretty simple. You're just gonna send them the request, and you're just gonna accept, and it's gonna take them to the business manager. The more important stuff is adding partners. So if you have a freelancer, if you have an agency that takes care of your ad accounts, you always wanna add them as a partner. So how you're gonna do that is pretty simple. You're just gonna you're just gonna assign your assets to a partner, which is this field. You're just gonna click add, and then you're gonna enter partner business ID. So the agency or the freelancer, they're gonna send you their business ID. You're just gonna enter it here, click next, and you're just gonna choose what you want to share with them. So you're gonna choose your ad account, you're gonna choose your data sources, you're gonna choose your pages in order for them to have everything so they can run ads. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so right now you have successfully set up your new business manager and you can start advertising as soon as you want. I hope you have found the video valuable. Don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, and see you in the next